ko yung kanin na kailangan kunin at nakuha ko rin yung palayo. Sila, ang ginawa ko, yung kinawang plastic. Pinastic ko lahat ng mga gamit. Wala silang nakuha ko yung water jet na.
Palayo na tayo. Mama, sabi ko, dapat kawatan ka talaga, girl. Good job.
Mas natuwa sila sa akin. Sabi, good work. Magnanakaw ka talaga. Isa kang kawatan niya eh. Although that's really negative, pero yun yung challenge eh.
Talaga, sa magaan.
Pagpasok ng ganyan, isang ganyan, paikot eh. Puno, tapos sa gitna may fire, tapos sa gilid yung kusina ang ganda. Tapos nakalagay doon magan. Parang nuptial, parang parang reception tapos may kakasal.
I feel so bad because I couldn't make better.
No. Even though they have beautiful house, they don't have pots.
Again? I heard from Mama Tricia na yung camp din ng Magan, sobrang ganda daw. Parang tapos nakita yung bahay natin ganito. Nakaka-depress. Para tayong binagyo. Kawatan ka talaga, girl! Good job!
Water.
Pagdating namin, syempre, tinignan muna namin yung gamit namin una. Sabi namin, parang walang nawawala. Tapos bigla napansin ko, yung natin, lagay ng water, ng tubig natin na wala, kinuha, sabi ko. Tapos lahat kami, sabi namin, sino kaya pumunta dito Magan? So baka si Doc yung kumuha. Kasi syempre, hindi naman kaya ng babae yun, di ba?
Your bikini's not there? Your bikini? On the floor, It's just on the floor.
Andyan?
What's up with the attitude? I didn't you did.
The only thing I can remember that was missing was our watering pot and Michelle's bikini top. It's her responsibility. I mean, we're not anyone's yaya. We're not there to take care of each other's clothes. If you have your clothes, bring it with you. You know, it's not our responsibility. So.
They left the machete. What was there to get if they didn't get the machete?
She took Michelle's bathing suit, which is funny. And Michelle and John argued about the bathing suit. And I was like, whoa.
They took ours.
Yung pot natin.
Yun yung lagyan tubig. O, kinuha nila yung atin eh.
Ha?
Kinuha nila yung sa atin.
Yung deposit natin, wala. Yung itak natin, wala?
Hindi, ito. Dyan. Yung water station, yung lang natin.
Kawawa sila.
Bakit?
As in, yung dati ganun pa rin. Wala lang silang ganyan. Sira
Alin? Sira na?
Yung pot nila, oo.
Bakit ito? Nabasa?
Nabasa. Yung bahay nila, parang kawain yung taas.
When Moy got back, she came back with very few things. May takip siya ng cooking pot, pero walang pot. So we asked, what happened to the pot? Sabi nabasag na daw. So Sarmay has no camp, no shelter, nothing to cook with, no fire, no rice. They're hurting.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
We're all kind of angry at her. So we're all like, I know how we should have taken Micah instead and made someone else stay. We were like, kind of, but that was our mistake also.